Breaking news: Nollywood couple LATEEF ADEDIMEJI and MOBIMPE spotted with a baby. Before we continue the news, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Nigerian celebrity couple and Nollywood stars, LATEEF ADEDIMEJI and his wife MOBIMPE, have been spotted carrying a baby in a recent public appearance, sparking widespread speculation and excitement among fans and followers. The couple, known for their on-screen chemistry and real-life romance, were seen cradling the infant, leading many to believe that they may have welcomed a new addition to their family. As of now, there has been no official confirmation from either LATEEF ADEDIMEJI or MOBIMPE regarding the arrival of a newborn. The couple has kept silent on the matter, leaving fans eagerly awaiting an announcement. The news has nonetheless prompted a flood of congratulatory messages on social media, with fans and colleagues alike sharing their joy for the beloved pair. LATEEF and MOBIMPE, who tied the knot in a glamorous ceremony in December 2021, have been one of Nollywood's favorite couples, often sharing glimpses of their love and life together on social media. The sighting of the duo with a baby has only added to the intrigue, with many wondering if this is indeed a joyous moment for the couple as they embark on the journey of parenthood. While the news remains unconfirmed, it's clear that the couple has the love and support of their fans, who are ready to celebrate this milestone with them. Until an official statement is made, all we can do is join in the excitement and send our heartfelt congratulations to LATEEF ADEDIMEJI and MOBIMPE on what could potentially be the arrival of their little bundle of joy. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow this developing story. Comment your thoughts in the comments section and subscribe for more videos.